Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add external audio language track to a video in VLC media player. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your VLC media player and tap on this media. Convert/save and here click on add. Then you have to select your video. After that, tap on this show more options and check this one here, play media synchronously. Tap on this browse and tap on this add again and select your audio. Click on select. Now click on this convert and save. Click on this icon and I am selecting here MP4. You have to give a profile name, then tap on this create and click on browse to select a folder to export the file. Then tap on this save and click on this start and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add external audio language track to a video in VLC media player. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.